Today we will be unboxing and doing a review on this light bulb. I'll show it to you after I undo the ceiling one. So So let me unbox the one that I have bought, and I'll show that to you guys in a second. So now I will continue with the unboxing and review of the TP-Link smart Wi-Fi LED bulb. So you can complete home lighting control from anywhere. No hub required. Dimming option. Remote access. It's got energy saving. These are all the technical factors. And what's in the box is the smart Wi-Fi bulb. They do have an app that's available for iOS and Android. And then we will test this out. Happy with your product? This is, I guess, a warranty card. Not too sure on that. And here we go, here's the light bulb. I got some paperwork to look at. Actually, not really paperwork. It's a quick start guide. Gonna download that app. And we're going to connect it to our existing Wi-Fi. And then here's the bulb. So now it's time to install this. I'll set you guys up to where you can see the thing. And now it's time to install this light bulb. Alrighty. Oh, that's not too hot. Alright. So now, hoping that this works. I'm not too sure, actually. Hope all goes well. I will set you guys back up when I have everything set up. So now I have both on, and hold on, I'll set you guys back up again. Now I'm going to take my tablet for this part, and I will show you guys the download process. So we're gonna download the TP Linkasa. TP Linkasa. Which is exactly what this app is. We're gonna install it now. And then we're gonna get the whole app, then we're gonna get the entire app set up. I'll be back after it installs. Now the app is installing, and this shouldn't take too long. I'll be back after it installs. So now the app is fully installed, and I actually just read that it has to be connected to a 2.4 gigahertz network, so I'll switch my tablet over to that. So now I'm gonna go into the app. I'll be back. So now I'll create an account. I have to verify it. Allow. And I'll come back. Actually, no, I don't have to. I'll be back after I activate my account. So now I'm going to go up to the plus. I'm going to add a smart bulb. Then I'm going to hit next. It just clicked.